Hello everyone, so today's question is increasing triplet subsequence. Given an integer array nums, return true if there exists a triplet of indices I, j, k such that I is less than j is less than k, and this condition. So basically it's telling us to find a triplet where it's an increasing order. Okay, so what we'll use is, my first intuition was to use longest increasing subsequence. Now what this does is it's basically a dynamic programming approach. So for example, if this was the question, okay, so if this was the question, then longest increasing subsequence will be this. So basically longest increasing subsequence is like, if I say 2, then 2, how many numbers before 2 are less than 2, so that it forms a strictly increasing array. Okay, so for example, if I say 5, how many numbers, like, is it a strictly, does it form a strictly increasing array? Yes, because it has 2 in front and 1 in front, so the answer will be 2 for it. Now for 6, yes, because it has 1 and 5, which is less than 2 or 6. Or for 6 it can also be 2 and 5. For 6 it also can be 0 and 4. Okay, so the question is basically asking us to find if there is a triplet. So what we'll do is, so first we'll take an array of same size and we'll initialize each element with 1. Now I pointer will be moving from 1 to the end of vector, and j pointer will be moving from 0 to I. Try to visualize it. So whenever nums I, that is index I, is more than nums j, then we'll change vi to vj plus 1 or vi, that is maximum of whatever it is. So this is the dry run. So if the first time I will be 1 and j will be 0, so in that case over here we have nums I is less than nums j, so nothing will happen. Now in this, when I is 2 and j is 0, nums I is more than nums j because 5 is more than 2. So we'll change this place, that is ith place, to 1 plus vj, that is nums j. Sorry, not nums j, this array is j. Okay, similarly this, you can pause and see this try run. So finally while we'll do this, we'll see I is moving from 3 and j will go from 0 to 2. Similarly, when I is 4, j is going from 0 to 3, and when I is 5, j will go from 0 to 4. In this step, we got this equals to 3, right? Because now nums I is more than nums j. That is 6 is more than 5 right now. So as soon as we get any element in our vector equals to 3, we'll return true. So this will be the approach. Now I'll just start coding. So the code will be same as what one will do for longest increasing subsequence. So I'll just take nums dot size as n. Now vector int, let's call it v, and n comma 1. So size is n, and the size is n, and we are filling it with 1. Now for int I will move from 1 and I will go till n. Next j will be moving from 0 and it will go till I. Now if nums I is more than nums j, if this is the case, then we'll say that vi can be equal to, either it can be vi or vj plus 1, whatever will be the maximum. So we can write max of vi, which we already have, or it can be vj plus 1. Now whenever we find that the element in the vector is 3, then we can simply return true, because after that we don't need to find it again, or we don't need to traverse the array again, because we found one triplet. So if vi is equal to 3, I'll just say return true, else it will come out of the loop and it won't return true. So in that case, return false. So this was the solution. Thank you so much for watching.